stories, I would like to urge you all to help me with the research work that I'm doing. So this is regarding different career options that are available after class 12th, and how well are you acquainted with those careers, and how do you actually choose a right career path for yourself. So these are some questions that were in my mind, and it was because I need to help you stories figure out a right career path for yourself in a better way. So to make that happen, I need to be researching about that what's the actual problem that you stories are facing. So if you are a school student, and if you know or don't know about the career that you're going to go for, all everything is fine. Please find the Google form link in the description box and positively fill the form. The more people fills up this Google form, the stronger this research work is going to get. So I would urge you stories to positively fill the Google form, because ultimately this is going to help me figure out your pain points, and eventually this is going to help you as well to figure out a better career path for yourself with the kind of content that I'll deliver. So yeah, please go ahead and help me with that by filling that Google form. You will find the link in the description box. Hey stories, it's Isha and welcome to this channel. So today we are going to do an assumptions video. So I put up this story on my Instagram asking you stories to give your assumptions, any assumptions that you have for media students or mass communication as a career in general. And I also asked the same question on my community tab on YouTube, and I got a bunch of assumptions, and today I'll be reading that and giving you my version, or like my take on those assumptions. So yeah, I hope this video turns out informative or maybe helpful for you in some way. And without any further ado, let's begin. The very first assumption we have is from Sashi. He says, "Hamesha haath mein camera." Okay, so I both agree and disagree to this statement. Giving you, like, telling you why. Agree because as media students, you are more likely to be seen with a camera roaming around in your campus, clicking pictures, recording some video or something like that. And while, like, when you're compared to other students, other departments के students, they feel like, hey, ये मीडिया वालों को कुछ करना नहीं होता है क्या, because they are always seen with camera roaming around campus and doing all of these things, because that's not the case with them most of the time. So they're like, okay, ये क्या है. But at the same time, because we are media students, I feel like we are not given as much exposure as we should get, because that's our job, dude. So with camera, that's our job. And I feel media courses mein, you're not just given, yeah, they give you exposure a little bit, but I feel like there should be more practical classes in these courses. That is what I feel. I don't know if this is the case in like entire country or not, but this is what I felt with my case, and yeah, kind of dissatisfied with that. So yeah, both agree and disagree. Next assumption: media course will definitely provide you a scintillating life. Okay, yes, definitely. And not only media, any career in general. If you are like driven for that career, if that career, like, if you have chosen willingly and you are ready to devote your 100% to that, and you don't complain when your work gets hectic and all of that, then any career is fulfilling for you. And if media is one such career for you, where you are, you look for busy days, you look to work, like push your limits and work harder and better like never before, yeah, this is one such career for you which is going to be extremely fulfilling. So yeah, that's what I feel about careers. You should be opting for a career that drives you to achieve like new milestones every time. So yeah, that way any career is like fulfilling. They don't earn enough to survive, or it's not a practical career. Okay, so I agree to this a bit, because as harsh as it sounds, media, when you enter this industry at the beginning, you are not given a good pay package that can sustain your living, your expenses. That's true, and it takes a good amount of effort to, like, make your position there, to just make yourself in the industry. It it demands like years and years of hardship. And also at the same time, because you start low, there there is always a scope of growth wherein you can just grow every time, year to year, job change करके ऐसे ऐसे करके you can grow that way. But it's बिल्कुल unlikely that you generally see in engineering colleges who are famous for like giving like crores and lakhs ke packages. That's not the case here, sadly. So yeah, in a way, yes, in the beginning, but there's no upper end to it. And also you'll feel like there are so many examples in journalism field only that people have like years and years of hardship, they have made it to the top. There are examples, so there's no upper limit. But yeah, at the beginning this is what you get, so that's a sad reality. uh, they are bold, good speakers and critical thinkers. Okay, yes, not all of them, but most of the media students you'll find will be like this. They'll be bold and they'll know how to speak their ground. And I feel, especially in journalism field, mein, people, students who get into this course or get into this career, they have something in them. Like they don't just want to go into journalism just because it is a career. They have a cause behind it. They have some burning desire to speak for something, to stand up for something, speak for a cause. They have seen something that was not acceptable for them, and they want to change things, and that is why uh, they opt for such a career like journalism, where they stand out as the voice of people. So yeah, in that way you'll find them to be bold and like good speakers. Got no future. Okay, it is the same, I guess, which I discussed right now. um as I said, there's just no upper limit. You can absolutely grow yourself. Growth का कोई upper limit नहीं होता है. So the got no future, I'll totally disagree to this. Introverts have no Introverts have got no place in media field. Okay, I disagree to this because introverts can make really good writers, and writing is again one very big aspect of media industry, and writing is never going to go out of fashion, and it will be going to be in demand. And if you are a great writer, and generally introverts, you'll find them. And at the same time, it's not that introverts are only good with writing or something like that. They can be good in speaking, like communications and like voicing their opinions as well. But I don't think you should bound introverts into like some type of careers, because I've seen so many introverts in my class, and I know for sure that they are going to do pretty well in the industry. And yeah, so they are introverts. I myself is an introvert. You won't believe that. I don't know if you do or not, but I am a बहुत बड़ा वाला introvert. But yeah, I'm going to be working here, so I don't agree to this. Next assumption is media wala banega. Okay, I guess one big assumption here that people have is when you opt for mass communication, uh, they just assume that you'll become a reporter or a journalist, and they don't see anything like anything else than this. Like when you see it, like, hey, I'm doing mass communication, their first reaction to this will be, oh, tum TV pe आओगे, you'll be a journalist. But that's not going to be always true, because mass communication is just a huge wide spectrum of things, and journalism is just only one small part of it. So yeah, and that is what I like most about being here, that you just have so many options to choose, and you don't necessarily need to confine yourself into just one thing. So yeah, I love that about this. So media wala banega, it's not like always true. For bachelors, there is much less option at affordable cost. Yes, I agree to this. In fact, for masters as well. And this is the reality of reality of higher education in India, that I feel that there's just don't there's just not enough options. And when I was researching for mass communication courses across India, I was just given, I was just left with a limited option to opt for. So that was sad. I think that there should be like more colleges in India, more good colleges that help you really gain practical exposure, really make you learn things that you'll actually need in the industry. So yes. Okay, you need good links in mass communication career. Talent is seen as the last. Good link, talent is seen at last. I don't think so. I don't think campus placements में आप अपने टैलेंट के बेसिस पे ही आगे जाते हो, कोई लिंक काम नहीं आता है. बट उसके बाद देखो, नेटवर्किंग इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू हेल्प. एंड आई वॉज रीडिंग दिस सर्वे, आई can't really remember कहाँ का था, but it said like most of the recruitments that happen in India is out of references, and only 15% of like total recruitments is from campus placements. And exactly कितना परसेंट था रेफरेंस का, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट आई रिमेंबर डैट बस 15% था कैंपस प्लेसमेंट का. So yeah, references do matter, but that is not your links. Maybe I would call you that your networking skills. They make no money, they need like a godfather or supporter to go ahead. uh, I don't feel that this is going to be always true. There are always example of self-made people, and I would like to believe that that this is the case where you can stand on your own grounds and grow yourself from scratch. So as I believe that there's just no upper limit to your growth and where you can be. So it's not that you merely need a godfather and you'll make no money. Yeah, you start with a little. That is what I said, and I guess I'll be able to speak more on this once I graduate and actually enter this field and see how is the situation there. Maybe at that time we can do this like other assumptions video, where you can see like two different versions of me at two different times. जब मैं अभी मेरा graduation हो रहा है, उसके बाद graduation के बाद. So yeah, their speaking fluency is good. They are good communicators. Yes, most of the time, but I've also seen people जो first year में enter करते हैं mass communication course में, but their communication skills are not that great, and they work on it, and over years, like 3 साल में, they improve it to a great extent. So yes, communication is one of the fundamental skills that you as a mass communication student need. And even if you don't have like communication skills, great communication skills from the beginning, when you enroll yourself into this course, you'll eventually learn that by like constant efforts and practice. So yeah, true that we need to learn about editing and other stuff beforehand. No, you don't need to learn everything beforehand, but obviously you are given like exposure to a lot of things in design, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and a lot of like softwares and all of that, Illustrator, Photoshop. So yeah, over time you need to learn them, but you don't necessarily need like be equipped with them like beforehand. You will learn in the course. अरे यार course इसी के लिए था ताकि तुम सीखो. So yeah, and yes, I'll also at the same time I like to say that just the college knowledge just the knowledge that you get in college or the skills that they teach you in college is not enough. You need to get back to home and practice those to like get acquainted with them, like well acquainted with them. Do you think after university is good for media studies as per post graduation is concerned? What you say? See, I don't have any connections, like any people that I know from there, and this is what I say to most of you who come and ask me about a particular college, that hey, I also read the same that you do on internet. I also have the same reviews because I don't have like personal connection with people out there in that college or something like that. So yeah, what do you feel about that university? What your research says? Believe on that and yeah, make a decision. That is what I would like to say. it is difficult to do masters in mass communication if you are not undergraduate from it. Not at all, not at all. In fact, most of the people you'll find in masters will not be from same background. You'll find different people from like engineering, biology, MBBS, architecture. कहाँ से लोग आते हैं, they opt for mass communication. So yeah, no issues in that. Do we need to run after top colleges or any good college works? As long as you value your skills, any college is good for you, as long as that college is making you like well equipped, like well acquainted with those skills. As long like this is true, it's good. I guess top colleges only comes into play during campus placement, because good companies comes into good colleges, and that's where you get like good exposures to company. And also I guess events and all में जो difference होता होगा ये curriculums में. And I generally don't know, because I am not like in touch with a lot of media students all across the country. So if you are a media student, like already a media student, and you're studying in some college in this country, please let us know in the comment section below. Give your review about your college and the course that you are opting there, and like mass communication course आपके college में कैसा है basically, and how are you finding, are you satisfied with it or not? Please let us know in the comments section below. I guess it will help the community a lot. Okay, is it compulsory to have a keen interest in current affairs? You would not believe this, but most of the media students are not well acquainted with current affairs as they should be. So if you keep yourself updated on ground with all of the, on top of all the news and current affairs, basically you're going to keep yourself ahead of crowd, like 90% of them. So that is going to benefit you. So it's not necessary, means it is obviously necessary, but most people don't do it. So if you're actually implementing it, you are going to be ahead, and it is definitely going to help you a lot with your career. So yeah, so that was all about the assumptions that we got. I guess I covered all. I don't think I missed any. So yeah, that's all stories. Please let us know how do you like this video, or if you have any more assumptions, let us know in the comment section below, and we together can talk about them. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more such videos, please consider subscribing to this channel, like this video, comment down below whatever you like, the review of your colleges and anything that could be helpful for this community. And if you want to be a part of community where people are as same career path as you or as same aspirations as you, you can consider joining Live Your Story community, which is a Facebook group of like-minded people who aspire to grow every single day. And most of the people in this group are primarily media students or wannabe media students. So yes, please consider that. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Till then, dream, design, and live your story. Bye bye.